Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Onyx LED TV. Here in this TV the fault is no power issue. While checking we found that due to lightning the motherboard is already damaged, unable to restore. So it's better to install an alternate motherboard. Since it's a combo board, we are going to install similar model motherboard from another LED TV. So here we take the motherboard from a 32-inch Impex LED TV. Now we already installed the motherboard in this TV. Here LVDS cables, all sockets are connected. Here you can also watch the damaged area in old motherboard. Anyway, now work is done. Now the next step is to turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, picture comes and the TV is turned on, but unfortunately the TV display is upside down. For that we need to enter into TV service mode. Before that, let's fix the TV back cover and all, put all screws back to TV. Finally TV is turned on. Here the picture is upside down. For that we need to enter into TV service mode. Here the TV service mode code menu 6964 on TV remote. Here I am using this universal remote. See, finally we entered into the TV service mode. Now go to panel settings. In that option select and turn off the mirror. See, finally now work is done. Now the picture is crystal clear. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Thank you for watching.